Hi, 6th grade. So for those of you who are at home today, this is your assignment. Go to your music page in Schoology, and we'll scroll down. Make sure you do your daily attendance. That's an everyday thing, no matter what. And then after you do that, come back to Schoology, and you want to click on Tuesday, October 6th. You're going to take your daily attendance, read the instrument research project intro, and select your instrument. If you owe any assignments, please finish them today. Students who are in person and finish will play instrument bingo. We will begin the research project tomorrow. So today you're simply choosing your instrument. When you open the folder, you will see this assignment. And I'm going to open the document. You would click My Document. So for the instrument research project, you're going to read the information on the following slides, decide on what instrument you will research, and type it below. So in this text box, once you've decided, you'll type what you would like to do your research project on. Now I've limited the instruments you can choose from to instruments of the orchestra, with the exception of saxophone, because I know some of our 6th grade students study that instrument. So you have your choice of flute, oboe, clarinet, saxophone, or bassoon. You may also choose violin, viola, cello, string bass, or harp, trumpet, French horn, trombone, tuba, piano, snare drum, timpani, bass drum, xylophone. Now, with the exception of piano, these instruments here are all percussion instruments, and they might present an issue finding information simply because they don't really write a whole lot about them. But you are welcome to choose those as one of your projects if you would like. These instruments are much easier to find information about, including the piano. Now for the project requirements, you will be taking notes on a provided Google Doc. I will send that out to you tomorrow, so don't take any notes just yet. You must include citations. This means a bibliography. Where did you find your information? So make sure you're keeping track of where you found your information. You must use good sources. No Wikipedia. Once you have gathered all information, you'll create a slides presentation similar to this one to show what you have learned. Work must be submitted in Schoology on time. And I've included some websites that you can go to begin your research. So today you'll be allowed to explore. But before you explore, go back to that first screen and type in what instrument you plan to do. It must be spelled correctly. All right, once you've typed that in, you can certainly go to these different websites. You click on the link, and then you can go to them. This is one we've been using. You can look for your instrument here, excuse me, and read some of the information about them. So let's say you chose string bass, also known as double bass, and it gives you a nice little description. There's not a ton of information here, but you can certainly look. You can go to Classics for Kids, which also has some information about the instruments. And then there are two other sites as well. So this is your assignment for today. Read through the slides again. Make sure you type the name of the instrument you plan to do your research project on. Once you've done that, and you don't owe any work, you can start exploring some of the websites that are here and see what information you're able to find. All right, that is your assignment for today. Thank you, 6th grade. Enjoy.